Welcome back. Multimedia elements are pretty common. Almost any app has music or videos. So let's begin with video. Here you can host your own videos. Click the button Choose File and attach a file from your computer. Uploading may take a certain amount of time, and the file must be in MP4 format, and less than 600 megabytes. After the upload, the URL should appear in the field above. If you are hosting the video yourself, enter the URL of the MP4 file in the field and click Save. On the screen your users can pause, play and see the duration of the video. Everyone loves YouTube. When you open the element you see only one blank field. Here enter the YouTube ID, which you can get for the YouTube URL. You can see that the last part of the URL is usually the ID. Next is the music element. Upload your MP3 file from your computer, title the song and artist, then put some image that represents the song and click Save. In the mobile screen you have 4 buttons: play, pause, rewind and rewind back. When you want to make a playlist or an album in this element, you just open a new music element and start from the beginning. Watch the new tutorial for modules element.